Guys, there's things that are so important to the sailing lifestyle that nobody ever shows on social media. So today I'm going to break down all of that and then explain why I'm showing you guys the reality per se before you actually ever own a boat. First off, let's get started. My name is Zach. You are watching the channel Captain Seabound, and I have been gone for about 3 weeks, but I am back and I look tanned. Now that that's all out of the way, let's get into the meat of the video. So essentially, the things that the people aren't showing you is the stuff, the many years and the many hours and the work that it took to get to own their multi-million-dollar boat. Or maybe it's not multi-millions, maybe it's $500,000, maybe it's only a few thousand. They don't show that process, or at least I should say the majority of YouTubers don't show that process. The YouTubers that do show that process are typically either looking for a second boat, or they are far and few between that are actually like showing it from their perspective from the actual beginning, which is why I have created this channel so that I can show you what it's like through the many years of progress. About just under a year and a half ago, back in April of 2025, I found out about this entire sailing lifestyle, and I decided that I wanted it to be my dream. I wanted it to be my life. But I didn't realize the amount of effort, money, and time in reality it actually took to get out there, which is why I started this so that I can show you that from the first video I uploaded back in April, from the video that I upload on the day that I actually own a boat, that is the time frame that will actually take. There is no defined time frame that says you must take at least 2 years and then you can get a boat, because it depends from person to person based on a bunch of things. Financial decisions is one of them, just like your financial means to get a boat and own a boat. The type of boat you want, obviously, your experience on the water, your experience with sailing in general, how much you know about sailing, and a billion other things. Maybe not a billion, but there is a lot of other things, and not all of it, and not everyone is on the same playing field, I should say. Not everyone is on the same playing field. Some people have more experience, some people have more money, some people have less money, some people have less experience. It varies from person to person, and as it varies from me as well. And people don't typically show the reality of getting, almost no one shows the reality of getting from land life to boat life. Typically, it's boat life onwards, like once you buy a boat. And it's not the process. Like, they don't show the hours they spent working. They don't tell that to the camera, because that's not what the camera people want to hear. That's what, how do I put this? That's what YouTube wants to hear. See the sailing video that says, oh my gosh, I finally made it to the Bahamas or something. They don't want to see, oh my gosh, I'm clocking in for my next shift so that I can be on a boat someday, because nobody wants to see that. But I'm going to show it so that in 3 or 4 years, when I am sailing the Caribbean, I can have that behind me to show that I actually had work like cut out, and that it wasn't just all get up and go. Because a lot of people who assume that when you get on this lifestyle, it's a rich lifestyle. It's a life like the people who are young that get on the water. It's typically, oh, how'd you win $1 million? Or, oh, is that daddy's money? Or, you know, stuff like that. They don't, and because the YouTubers don't actually show like what is behind the scenes of getting to boat life. And in reality, the behind the scenes is mostly working, saving, and having delays that you just can't control. Those delays might include, like I talked about this in one of my previous videos, but it was like the 1 more year trap. It's the, oh, I'll wait 1 more year. Yeah, that's not going to fly with the sailing world. Like, these delays might include things such as saving for the boat, thinking, oh, I'll just need 1 more year of experience, then I'll buy the boat. No, do it now, unless there's like something that's like a literal catastrophe, like a hurricane going on where you plan to be sailing. Go grab the boat now. Like, that was basically what I said in one of my last videos. It was the gist. And what I want to get across to you guys in this video is that there are things that go on behind the scenes that not all YouTubers tell, and then viewers don't always understand, and they think that they have to be rich, essentially, to get on and in the sailing lifestyle. But that's not the case. You just have to be smart financially. And even if you're not chasing the sailing dream, or maybe you know someone who's not chasing the sailing dream, or maybe has other dreams, this can resonate with them as well. This can relate to them as well, because maybe they're trying to start a business, but they have things that are delaying them. They have things that are not letting them create their whatever it is. Sailing is just one example, and it's probably a very big one that a lot of people just think, oh, when did you win your $1 million or something like that? Like, that's not always the case. It might be, but not always. Definitely not always. As a matter of fact, the majority of the time, it's, I don't have money. Most sailors, there's an old saying that says, most sailors are rich in memories, but poor in financially. Because in reality, that's true. Most sailors who go out there are very rich in memories, but are sadly poor financially, because the boat is trying to tear itself apart. It's not like a house that once you build it, you more or less don't have to do anything with it for even a year. But a boat, you have to do stuff with it constantly to keep it floating. And that can quickly drown sailors in debt. So I guess the moral of this video is just don't judge a book by its cover. That's all I've got for you guys today. If you liked what you saw here, please subscribe, like this video and all that. And I will hopefully see you guys here next week. If you guys want to watch any of my videos, please do. You can actually start from the beginning and click on this playlist right here and watch all of my videos from the start. Thank you guys for watching. I'll hopefully see you in a video relatively soon. See you out on the water. Peace.